It might not look like there's any order to this, but there really is. Well, the weather has been bad. It's cold and raining. Workers not able to come help me do anything. Got half the paneling up, or about half. Most of the easy pieces, we still got to cut several pieces here, mainly in the front. But what I'm about to do right now, since I'm the only one here, is install the permanent lighting. Don't know if it's gonna make a lot of difference. I think it'd make it a little brighter in here, but I don't know if it'd be too harsh. Because these temporary bulbs I got here are equal to 60-watt bulbs. And they got the little room lit up pretty good, especially with this light colored paneling. So let me get them changed out. We'll see what it looks like. Well, I think it did make a little bit of difference. It looks pretty good though. Got them mounted, and no sooner than I got them mounted, my help showed up. And we got the rest of the walls put up, even in the front. Looks pretty good. Sometime later next week, when the weather kind of clears up, we'll start working on the trim, get that put in. I also got the outlets installed on that wall, and got the plumbing roughed in. Hot and the cold and the drain. I'm walking outside, it's sleeting a little bit. Now that Louisiana snow is coming down. Wet as the ground is, we won't get anything to stick. I don't know if the camera's getting this or not. I didn't feel like going to borrow my chainsaw from somebody, so I just used my pole saw. Louisiana blizzard. It's only about 30 degrees. And I hadn't had a chance to do anything weather-wise. I hadn't had a chance to do anything with these bees. So I'm gonna close them up and bring them inside till this brutal weather's over with. sleep. Man, you talk about slickery right now. Ooh-wee. Go ice skating on them things. Okay, I went ahead and moved both my single boxes while I was in the process. This one is the small one. Let's peek in here and see if I've messed them up too much. Looked like it was doing all right to me. At 30 degrees. I brought this one in first out of the truck. And the time I got back to the truck, this one got covered with sleet. In just a couple of minutes. Let's go ahead and peek at this one. Building a little bit moisture up in there. I think that'd be fine. Since we looked at that one from the front, let's look at this one from the front. You can see how different they are. Still only about two and a half frames of bees here. But anyway, I'm keeping it about 55 in here. Maybe they'll still stay somewhat clustered. And I'll try to give them some more food somehow. We'll see what happens there. All right. The little heavy sleet's already breaking limbs on my little cedar tree. Got it weighted down.